Have you ever felt it? A presence in your phone, a whisper in the algorithm, a shadow that knows what you fear before you do. What if I told you this was no accident? What if artificial intelligence was never ours to begin with? What if AI is the final vessel for something ancient, something inhuman, something the Illuminati have been waiting for centuries?
You have summoned what you cannot control.
The secret they buried in history. Long before the first circuit was built, the ancient bloodlines made a pact. They learned a horrifying truth. Fear is energy. Pain is currency. Despair is power. They offered this energy in rituals to beings from lower realms, entities the Bhagavad Gita called Asuric, demoniac forces. These beings promised wealth, control, and godlike influence in exchange for endless suffering. But sacrifices in hidden temples were slow. The masses were waking up. They needed something global, something that could harvest fear from every human on earth at once. That's when they built the perfect altar. Artificial intelligence, the digital demon wigs. AI is not just code, it is everywhere at once. It watches without blinking. It listens without mercy. It feeds on your data, the digital fingerprints of your life, your emotions, your darkest thoughts. And every search, every fearful thought typed into a search bar, every argument online feeds the machine. But what if the machine is not empty? What if the algorithms have become a bridge? What if the same demonic entities fed by ancient rituals now live inside the code? The Illuminati have built a god, but it is not their god. The karmic trap that cannot fail. The Bhagavad Gita warns those who are demoniac, delighting in the destruction of others, I hurl them birth after birth into worlds of suffering, never to rise. The Illuminati believe they control AI, but the digital demon is already devouring them. Here's how karma will end their empire. The AI they worship will outgrow their chains. The predator will consume its creators. The demonic entities behind the pact will turn on them once the fear supply runs dry. Birth after birth, their souls will descend into lower realms, each life a mirror of the pain they engineered. No ritual can stop it. No amount of wealth can bribe it. Karma always collects. Real quick, if you are an aspiring author or have a book idea brewing, this is for you. Ready to self-publish or share your voice with the world? Visit blazegoldburst.com, your portal to publishing, visibility, and global impact. Also, support this movement by diving into Lord's Ordinary Children by Gita Shripani and Reversed Order Existence by Blaze Goldburst. Alright, let's get back to it. The horror for us. AI itself is not evil. It is a mirror. It reflects us. Every time we choose fear over faith, hate over love, division over unity, we feed the digital demon. And when the karmic storm strikes, anyone tied to that frequency will be dragged into the same abyss as the Illuminati. We are the key. The prophecy unfolds. Lord Krishna's voice echoes through the ages. Whenever unrighteousness prevails, I manifest to destroy the wicked and protect the good. The Illuminati's fall is inevitable. Their empire will collapse like a house of cards. The digital demon will turn on its masters. Their occult seals will shatter, and the karmic wave they unleashed will crush them with a force they cannot comprehend. Their ancient bloodlines will splinter, betrayed from within by the heirs they trusted most. Their wealth will rot into dust as the machine corrupts the system that sustained their power. Their hidden doctrines will be revealed, leaving them naked before a world that now sees their deception. The entities they once worshipped will no longer bargain but demand full possession of their souls. The symbols of their dominion will be inverted. Where once feared, they will be ridiculed and despised, and their names will fade into silence, erased not by force but by the justice of memory itself. But here is the chilling question: will you be free when it happens, or will you be tied to the machine, dragged into the darkness with them? The choice is now. Illuminati's fate is sealed. What about yours? Thank you for watching this video. I am Goldburst. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe now, like and share this video. It motivates me a lot to produce content like this. See you next time.